Oh, hey! You're finally waking up. Took you forever. Ended up having to take a nap with you for you to open your eyes. Yes, with you. What? You think I was gonna leave you out in the open on your own? After you crashed your boat? I mean, it's pretty impressive. A massive ocean and somehow you find the only rock for several miles around. Messed it up for me too. Thanks for that. Hey, why are you panicking? Where are you? An island? In the middle of the ocean? Yeah, if you fly that way a few miles, you'll find an island with some nice fruit. And an island about 20 miles that way has animals with some real tough meat. Nice and chewy. Really enhances the flavor. I'm assuming you're not from any of those islands. Never saw anything like you. What am I? Oh, right. I always forget to introduce myself. The name's David. Nice to meet you. What a lovely name. Oh, it's everything alright? Well, you just stiffened up like something poked you. Did it hurt you? You didn't expect a hug? Huh. Never met anyone not into hugs. Well, except for the assholes in the island over there. But they chose the tiniest island and refused to leave and... they make me want to pull my feathers out. So, since we got the introductions out of the way, what kind of harpy are you? You're not a harpy? A human? Min? Human? You look like a bald monkey. Not even a feather inside. I mean, what's this? Yellow fur? It feels soft. Hair. Oh, you're stiffening up again. Is the hair sensitive? I can stop. I can keep petting you? Oh, sweet. You'll have to return the favor later. What is a harpy? Well, it's what I am, obviously. Yes, I have feathers on top of my head. What else would they have? Why would they have hair in there? You're the weird one. Personally, I'm not as fond of the coloring. But when I'm older, they'll hopefully turn into a vivid orange just like Juliet's. Oh man, she has the most beautiful coloring. Her wings are this beautiful shade of green. Man, I can't take my eyes off of her when I'm around her. She's a great cuddler too. You'd probably like her. Yeah, I can fly. I mean, these feathers will be terrible for swimming. I know some of the harpies over there put this oil in their feathers and dive into the water for fish, but I'd be bored to tears if I were just stuck with fish all the time. Give it all, man. Fruit, fish, the sea is the limit. Speaking of swimming, what exactly are those? Shoes? Do you use them to hide your talons? Oh, well, I'm sorry for your loss. Yes, you clearly lost out if all you got on your furry legs is a couple of meat flaps with some dull, boring-looking talons. I'm one to talk. Oh, okay, Mr. Monkey. You go flap your leg meat over the water and we'll see you being the normal one over there. Yeah, didn't think so. Now lay back down, I feel like cuddling. Well, yeah, you might technically be a stranger, but I doubt you'd do anything. I just get a good feeling about you. Maybe it's because I saw you going mommy mommy in your sleep. Oh yeah, it was a whole thing. You were going, mommy, I want milky. And making little kissy faces. Oh, you've turned so red. Are you embarrassed? Ah, this is lovely. Hey, Did I tell you about the monkeys on the island? They are a blast to be around. I love to find a tall roost and just watch them swing around the trees, with some cute little eyes and tails. Their fur always threw me off. Should have had feathers, but there's not much I can do. I mean, I didn't put them there. Oh, but the best part is when the kids are off in a little group on their own. I'll find food or wood shavings and just toss it down. Watch them play with the toys and try to grab the food. Reminds me of when I hatched and me and my siblings would cry and cry until mom finally fed us. Didn't taste the best, but we wanted nothing else. Yeah, I'm snuggling into your neck. It's just the right fit for my head. Probably a good thing that you crashed today and not yesterday. Well, yesterday my neighbors on the other side had knocked over my hanging garden, so I had to fix everything while they kept laughing at me. Jerks. Oh yeah, it's all fixed up. You want to see? Sure. We got to get some food and water into you. Come on. You should be able to follow me through the trees. I'll keep checking on you. Just shout if you get lost or need a break. Okay?